Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen of the Modern Coaches. Today we continue work on the Audi, so stick around for some time lapses as we start reassembly. Not a whole lot done today, but we're gonna pick it back up on Monday. Everything just takes way too long. It took probably half an hour to figure out which direction that plastic piece sits underneath the fender well, since we took it out like 3-4 weeks ago. We both forgot until we played around with it for, like I said, about a half an hour to an hour. And then the water jug, the way it gets placed in there with whichever connector goes through which snake route that they put into the plastic. And then on top of that, thought I was gonna get the hatch done quicker, but I had to fish through with wire down through here, then pop it up through holes and then pop it back out. That wasn't too bad, but it's annoying that they put all the connectors and then you have to fish it through. They probably could have designed that a little bit better. Other than that, just kind of how everything turned out under here. Had to jack it up just to be able to fit my hand through and put everything back together. So we're gonna just pick it up on Monday and continue.
2 days later.
So we're back. It's Monday for me. It's about a second later for you guys. I'm just gonna put you up on time lapse again. We're gonna just continue. See how far we can get today. I got about 2 hours or so that I can work on this thing. Hopefully we can knock out some good progress today and get a video out for you guys. not finished. Probably got another day easily of more than 2 hours like I did today, just to put it all back together. But who doesn't love like a little progress shot? So I put on the bumper, the other side of the fender, how to play with more clips and more screws, just like on the other side. And then we put in and test fitted the bumper. Nothing is set up with any kind of gaps, but we wanted to just kind of clean up his garage a little, put some more pieces back on, and get you guys a little view, maybe a little teaser for what's going to come in the next episode. So any comments, questions, or concerns, anything for the good of the order, go ahead and leave it down below, and stay tuned for more. Thanks guys, bye.